Hi Rupa. Hi Kavya. I am just going to invite Murli sir first. Hi everyone. Hey Meenakshi. Let me just. Hi. I think Murli sir is yet to join. A request. Murli sir, if you've got it, do please join. Hi. Hi Abhinaya. Hi Anvesha. Welcome everyone. Kavya, do give me a thumbs up if Murli sir has joined this session already. I've just sent him a request. Yeah, me too. Joined, okay. I've just sent him a request to join that. Yes. Oh, it says, okay. Murli sir, can you just check if you are able to join? Okay. I don't know why it says I can't go live with him, but please do be patient, everyone. Ah, there you are.
So we
Hi.
thought we both are going to, sit together.
Okay, that's fine. Sure. Welcome to both of you.
Vanakkam, namaste.
Namaste, sir. Welcome. So thank you to everybody who's joined this session. And very warm welcome to you, Murli sir. I think this is the third time in this last 18 months that we're going to be having a conversation. And each time it's a new initiative of yours. And each time the challenge seems like harder than the before one that you've already surpassed. So I'm really looking forward to talk to you. For those who don't know, we are going to be chatting with Kalemamani Madurayar Muralidharan on this very unique Varnam that he has written, composed, and choreographed in praise of the goddess of Tamil, Annai. What is special about this Varnam is that he's going to be teaching this to a whole bunch of you who register. The funds that will be accrued from this workshop will be used for the government of Tamil Nadu's COVID relief fund. Plus, hold your breath. This Varnam is also going to set a Guinness Book of Records it's going to set a record as in the Guinness Book of Records. And we're going to be talking to Murli sir about that. But before I dive into the questions, honestly, Murli sir needs no introduction. But I thought it would be interesting for me to list down all the many, many things that he has done in the last 18 months. So hold your breath, everyone. In the last 18 months, Murli sir has achieved many a feat. Among them, he composed 25 Varnams in 25 days and went on to make a place in the Asia and India Book of Records. He composed, choreographed, and taught 60 jatis to almost 200 dancers, of which 140 performed the same and achieved the Guinness and Asia and India Book of Records. He conducted free online Nattuvangam class every Sunday for almost 30 weeks continuously. More than 2,000 participants benefited in his Laya Tiram Valar workshop. He conducted Nattuvangam workshop for children aged between 5 and 12, and he tells me that that workshop was very well received. Now, aside from this, he has also conducted a whole bunch of things, the Tillana Sadhana, the Varna Jalam, 25 jatis in 5 days, Mata Pita Guru Devam, a whole bunch of other things. So, Murli sir, here you are with yet another interesting idea, ready to hit a record. And also this is a special thing because it's funds for a cause. So firstly, I'm going to start off by asking you, Murli sir, what came first? Whether the Varnam first came to you, or the need to kind of do a workshop came to you, and then you decided to write the Varnam? I'm just really curious about that.
No, as you already know about this, actually last year, in the lockdown period, I started writing Varnam, and I challenged myself first. So one day, one Varnam, and 25 days we finished 25 Varnams. That was my first goal, and I achieved, and it was recognized by Asia Book of Records and India Book of Records. And from that 25 Varnams, I've chosen this Varnam for this event for a reason. Because I'm doing this for Tamil Nadu government. I'm not going to give it for India government. So,
Correct.
so I want to give this donation to Tamil Nadu government. So
Correct.
for them, Tamil is important.
Correct.
Okay.
Absolutely.
For each and every language is having own beauty for the For if you take Sanskrit, it's having some speciality for that.
Right.
If you take English, separate that
absolutely.
speciality is different. I'm not particular about Tamil, so I want to teach only Tamil, not like that. But more than Tamil, this Varnam, you have so many special qualities. You can find so many special qualities for this Tamil Varnam. That is why I've chosen this Varnam for this event.
Lovely.
Because
Sir,
the cause is going to for a good cause, Government of Tamil Nadu. Yeah.
Sir, I want you to take us through the Varnam. Could you just tell us some really interesting highlights, like some the nuances of this Varnam, and why, even in terms of the lyrics, can you just share like the poetry so that we understand the?
See, actually, I'm a world traveler. Always I travel. Only this 2 year for the past 2 years, I'm sitting inside the four walls and working whatever I can. And this Varnam, wherever I go, the people will ask me, "Sir, we want to do something in Tamil. We have a Tamil function. So this Bharati Tamil Sangam is conducting a huge festival. FETNA is conducting a huge festival. TNF is conducting a huge festival. I want to present a very nice item, portraying Tamil. And it's a very long due. So during the lockdown period, I decided to write one Tamil Varnam, write a Varnam on Tamil Annai. So Tamil language, if you talk about the beauty of the language, it's not. We cannot finish the interview within an hour or 2 hours. We can speak so much about Tamil. It's the boldest language in the world. Everybody knows. Recently, I have posted a small the posting in Insta. If you say, can you explain that?
No, don't ask.
So each and every word, let me explain that. So about in this Varnam also I mentioned some very special quality, special points.
Yeah.
So in Chittrasuram I am saying Endayum Tayum Endi Purinda Paindamil Inimai. Endayum Tayum means your father and my father. Okay, Endi Purinda. They were there, from the childhood. I taught, my father taught me only Tamil, right?
Oh,
I studied on Tamil medium only, and not English medium. So if I want to translate anything in English or French, then I will think only in Tamil only. The translation will be done in my mind. So so many Kambanavan, Kaviyamam, Ramanavan, Kadikalayum, Agananurum, Purananurum, so many literature I mentioned in this.
Right.
Ramayanam, I mentioned about Ramayanam. I mentioned about Agananuru, Puranuru, oldest Tamil literatures. This one.
Okay.
And Tiruvasagam, Tolgapiyam. We have so much in our language, but we are not using it very often in dance programs. And I want to bring out in my Varnam. So I've written everything in that. Aram Sayya Virumbuyena அவ்வை சொன்னதெல்லாம் அறிந்திடச் செய்த. அறம் செய்யனா always you have to do dharmam, aram, dharmam. Always you have to be, you have to follow dharma. So in that
Right.
I mentioned in that. Mainly in only one language in the world, the word we are using ra,
Yeah.
we are using for palam,
Amma.
alagu.
Yeah.
So in none of the language you cannot, the ra was used.
Yeah.
Ra is very special
Unique
for
too.
Tamil.
Yeah.
Unique for Tamil language.
Correct.
So at the same time, kudal means flute.
Yeah.
We are using kudal. Flute
Correct.
is sweet
Correct. Correct.
music.
Yeah.
Yard is
Yard.
veena. That
Correct.
is also sweet.
Right.
Kulandai is child.
Oh yeah.
Baby.
Child.
Baby. Madalai is the
The babies.
yeah.
Yeah.
And kulaya means like panjamridam, like panjamridam kulayinju pochu apdi solluva. And palam is fruit. And nilal means shadow.
Shade.
Yeah. Sing kadal means your chalangai.
Okay.
Everything, wherever the ra is coming, everything sweet.
Yeah.
Kudal is sweet.
Yeah.
Kudal yard is sweet. Kulandai is sweet. Madalai is sweet.
Beautiful.
Palam is sweet.
Sweet.
Nilal is cool. It's cool.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Breeze. So sing kadal is sweet. Everything, wherever you find ra.
Yeah.
So that is the special I mentioned in this.
Oh, beautiful. Sir, very nice. இது எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஐரானிக்கா இருக்கு சார். தமிழ் பத்தி ஒரு
குழலும் யாழும் இனிமை, குழந்தை மழலை இனிமை, குழைய பழமும் இனிமை, நிழல் குளுமை தரும், செங்கழல் இனிமை தரும், தெள்ளிய ழகரம் பழகிட. So one just in Chittaswaram I mentioned like this. So many. One, மூவேந்தர்கள் போற்றிய மொழி means, so ruled by three kings here. Sera, Sola, Pandya. Everybody. So their government language is Tamil. So like that, not only many people can think, oh, this is Tamil, I don't want to learn like this. So many other qualities, other special points to learn this Varnam. Example, jatis and also the swarams. So and small stories in between. We are ready to teach the Tamil.
Sir, idoda pallavi ennaanu konjam solrீங்களா இந்த வர்ணமோட பல்லவி?
Yeah, so Tamil language on the history, so everybody knows the history. How many years?
1000 plus years.
1000 plus. Okay, so ilamai kundra Tamil annaye. Ilamai means always you are young whenever I speak.
Yeah.
Ilamai kundra Tamil annaye, iyal isai nadagama. Iyal, so only in Tamil language, the speciality of Tamil language, iyal is prose. Okay, isai is music, nadagam is drama.
Theater.
So we can separate, the Tamil language as 3 divisions. Iyal, isai, nadagam. Only in Tamil you can say. You cannot say prose English, drama English, musical English. No.
Okay.
Right?
Oh.
Any language, if you take any language, only in Tamil only. So that's the speciality.
Beautiful.
Like that, I have so many points to mention in this Varnam. I'm just giving you highlights.
ஓகே சார், நான் இப்போ எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஐரானிக்கலா இருக்கு. இது தமிழ் பத்தி நம்ம ஒரு இது பண்ணி நான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல கேள்வி கேக்குறேங்கிறது எனக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சா இருக்கு. ஓகே, நான் ஒரு கேள்வி ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஆஸ்க் யூ இன் தமிழ். நீங்க சொன்னீங்க நீங்க யூசுவலா தமிழ்ல தான் யோசிப்பீங்கன்னு, பிகாஸ் மெயின்லி யூ திங்க் இன் தமிழ் அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் யூ டிரான்ஸ்லேட் எவ்ரிதிங் into another language. I want to ask you therefore, was it particularly easy for you to write this varnam? இது ரொம்ப நேச்சுரலா வந்ததா உங்களுக்கு?
கண்டிப்பா இல்ல.
இல்லையா?
கண்டிப்பா இல்ல. See, each and every varnam is also a challenge. I'll set challenge myself. Correct. What I never follow others. I will take reference. Okay, how many years? So what is involved in this?
Yeah.
Who wrote exceptionally well in Tamil?
Right.
Right. What are the poets? The time. Chittirai, Masi, Panguni, Vaigasi. Only we have Tamil Madangal.
Months.
Okay. We have 5 nilams. Aindinai. Aindinai. Aindinai means என்னன்னு சொல்லுவார் என்ன தெரியுமா நம்ம சொல்லிருக்கோமே குறிஞ்சி முல்லை மருதம் பாலை நெய்தல். So only we have in the Tamil language only they have separated. So குறிஞ்சி is மலையும் மலை சார்ந்த இடம், முல்லை காடு, மருதம் வயல், okay, பாலை is desert, and finally நெய்தல் is கடலும் கடல் சார்ந்த இடம். So you can talk, only in this language I find this. Maybe I may be wrong, maybe right.
Yeah.
But with my research, only in this language you can find all the months in the name we are considering. Panguni is coming, Adi is coming, Avani is coming.
Sir, do you think that this Varnam, because it's in Tamil, do you think those who know Tamil will be able to appreciate it better, but those who don't know may feel a bit alienated?
Definitely not. Definitely not. Definitely. See, this is going global, right?
Right.
So I'm getting students from North India also. I'm getting students from South Africa. Getting students from Australia. No, not only Tamilians, many people. So for your information, almost 600 people signed up so far. By God's grace, this is going to be a hit one.
Wow.
Everybody is going to get Guinness record.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Before I, ask you the next question, I've been only hearing Kavya's sweet voice. So Kavya, please, can you move into the camera so we see you?
Akhilaka, do you want me to join from my profile, or is it okay if I can just speak?
You can just join here, no problem, Kavya. I mean, unless then you have to move to another room, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but I thought even my followers would be able to.
Yeah, that would be great. Do you think you want to? Yeah, I could take another question.
Okay.
Yeah, please. I will ask you
I'll do
about
that.
the question. Yeah.
I can join from my.
Yeah. You just send me a request. I'll rope you in. Sir, just a little while ago, you spoke about how you went to a Tamil medium school, right? So, obviously your relationship with Tamil is also like very special. How many Varnams have you written in Tamil?
Very good question. I've crossed almost 200.
Why would this be special, sir? Why would this be? Why would this Varnam be special?
Because Tamil is my mother tongue, and the Tamil Nadu government. If I go and give this amount to the government, they'll ask, "Oh, you presented Sanskrit Varnam, you Sanskrit item or Telugu item." Definitely, they'll ask me. I don't want any controversy.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, there is Shambhavi clearly absolutely says language is definitely not a barrier to appreciate and enjoy Murli sir's compositions.
Correct,
absolutely. But I just wanted to sort of make sure, at this point, I think Kavya has sent me a request. So I'm going to bring Kavya into this conversation. Hi, Santosh. Hey, Kavya.
Hi, Akhilaka. How are you?
Good. How are you? Welcome.
Thank you. I hope just 1 minute. Sorry.
I think you're too close to the other device. Yeah. Okay. Gaurav. Do you want to try to? You can log out and log back in, Kavya. Don't worry.
I'm good.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. So very warm welcome to our dear young talented dancer Kavya Muralidharan, whom also I've had the opportunity to be in conversation with plenty of times during this pandemic. So thank you, Kavya, for taking time off. I just also thought I should tell you all that Kavya has sort of been busy with in the last 18 months. So while her guru and father has been, busy. And, I wanted to read this beautiful quote, which I always think is apt for Murli sir, which is, the comfort zone is the great enemy to creativity. And in Murli sir's case, even before he gets comfortable in one zone, he's ready to spring out of that comfort zone and go into another. But Kavya, you're not far behind. You're assisting him in every single thing that he does. So I think you're also somebody who just doesn't settle very easily into comfort zone, is constantly pushing the creative envelope. And from what you told me, you say that you've assisted 15 plus Bharatanatyam workshops that your father conducted during the pandemic. 2 of which obviously made it to the Guinness Asia and India Book of Records. You raised 75,000 for INR for Samarpana for Arts and Wellbeing through a really creative initiative that you created called Jati Jamming. You were also featured in the top 50 on an app called Graphy by Unacademy. And you were ranked as the 9th best creator for modules and teaching students via an online platform. I can't agree more. And your brand, Gandiva, that I also had the opportunity of writing about for the Open magazine, the video, Shiva Tandav, hit 500,000 views on YouTube in less than 5 months. Now, how wow is that, Kavya? Congratulations. So firstly, I'm going to ask you, Kavya, you are sort of, beside, around, you understand your father's creative bent of mind. You're always around, and you're the one who also, in some ways, allows him to kind of translate it and reach it to a wider audience as being his able assistant. So I want to ask you, Kavya, how do you sort of, how have you learned to understand his process, his creative process, and how have you also made that your own? Because you're equally challenging yourself and pushing the boundaries. So tell us a little bit about that, and then we will talk specifically about the Varnam.
Absolutely, Akhila. I think since I was, my Appa has always given me that freedom and space to choreograph and explore my own voice. So I think that's one reason why I was always an independent artist rather than decided as such. Because you really watch your gurus teach the other kids.
Correct.
But when you go to dance, observe things, and I think thanks to the nature itself, because just by watching I was able to learn. And then before programs and before shows up will give me some time to get
I feel like your voice is breaking, Kavya. Your voice is breaking a little bit. Is the device too close? I mean,
the device is there actually. Should I just
Kavya, yeah, Kavya, go inside, Kavya. Kavya?
Do you want to log out and log back in? Sure. Yeah, sure.
Kavya, better you go to my room, Kavya.
Yeah. She's going to log back in, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to meanwhile ask you a little bit about, you're really your sense of rhythm has been written about so much. I want to ask you, in terms of the jatis in this Varnam, what is the kind of thought process that has gone into, the jatis that find feature in this particular Varnam?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to explain in the beginning. I never compromised with all my jatis. Okay, 5 jatis, ella maniya irukku, and it's easy. The same time, it's difficult and solla. But global போறதுனால இந்த choreograph பண்ணிருக்கிறது கொஞ்சம் அப்படி ஈஸியா பண்ணிருக்கேன் நானு. But the jatis are awesome jatis. 1, number 2, from Chitteswaram and all the swarams, it's very, very nicely it's came out. All the swarams, the nritta part will be very, very nice. And of course the others, the bhavam part also, if you sit and listen each and every word,
right,
that will give you more meaningful, and the apt situation it will explain for this.
Right.
Tamil, if you talk about Tamil, this Varnam they can present anywhere, they can take it and present. Everything I've written, almost I covered everything.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah, so I mentioned each and every, like literature, like Ramayanam, இது மாதிரி கதைகள், அப்புறம் தேவாரம் திருப்புகள்லாம் வந்து நிறைய பேர் பண்றது இல்லை. So in 2 to 3 places I mentioned Tirukkural and I mentioned Devaram.
Right.
எல்லாமே இதுல பண்றதுனால டான்சர்ஸ்க்கு நிறைய இதுல வந்து நிறைய ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் இருக்கு, நிறைய
Correct.
ஸ்கோப் இருக்கு. யூ ஹேவ் ஸ்கோப்.
Right.
ஒரு வர்ணம் எடுத்தா ஸ்கோப் இருக்கணும் இல்லையா?
Right, absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
அது
That's
தமிழ்
the
பண்டிட்ஸ்,
yeah,
தமிழ் பண்டிட்ஸ், தமிழ் போயட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்தாங்கன்னா டெஃபினெட்லி தே லவ் திஸ் வர்ணம். அண்ட்
fantastic.
ஆமா, இது என்ன குளோபலா போறதுனால எல்லாரும் கத்துக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு ஒரு
Wow.
கம்போஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அது
Okay. Sir, one
ஒரு
second, நான் காவியா
லாங்குவேஜ்
invite பண்றேன்.
எனக்கு தமிழே தெரியாதுங்க, ஐ டோன்ட் நோ தமிழ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு பர்சன் வராரு. சோ கண்டிப்பா அது கேட்ட உடனே ஐ வாண்ட் டு லேர்ன் அப்படின்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும் இந்த வர்ணம்.
Right, right. Actually, Santosh here makes a very good point. He says the best part of Murli sir's compositions, they're easy to understand by the common man. And I think
Correct.
that is a very, very important point, because it has to be, I think it has to be accessible, right? For people to be able to appreciate it. So, sir, 1 minute, I'm going to invite Kavya back in.
Yeah.
I'm here. Sorry
Yeah,
about
Kavya,
English.
no problem. Did I tell you you're looking gorgeous, by the way?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so Kavya, I want to ask you, your father has been like, he's known for like, you know, writing a varnam in a day and functioning really fast. By virtue of just spending quality time with him, Kavya, have you also sort of imbibed that quality?
I'm still trying to imbibe that quality in me, Akilaka, because, you know, Appa is a superman. I'd definitely say he's a superman because
Absolutely.
he consistently keeps creating something or the other, and it is very, very difficult for me to match his pace. Yes, keep up to his pace because he's really hardworking, and yeah, he is of course my inspiration and a role model. But to a certain extent, I think on the balance one day, how are you doing it? I keep questioning him, but still very difficult for me to imbibe that quality because I'm also occupied with my own project. At the same time, I need 10 hours of sleep every day because the compositions of my father is really fast, and to keep up that speed, I need enough.
You need rest. Yeah.
So I sleep for 10 hours, but Appa, even if he goes to bed at 2 o'clock, he wakes up at 5, and then his creative journey has always inspired me because while we're driving, while we're in a vacation, his thoughts will always be in dance. So he
There's
keeps
one side
that is always occupied with dance, music, or the choreography. So all of a sudden, usually our process will go on like this. Appa will compose a song. He will send it to me. He'll be like, Kavya, choreography of this song today evening. So I'll be like, Appa, you know what? I have this class, I have that class. You know, I don't know how but at the end, you know, I have to make sure that I finish the choreography and send it to him. But so many times I've dodged him to do that because having my own work and other.
I know, of course.
But I'm trying to still imbibe that quality from him.
That's fantastic. Kavya, tell us a little bit about this particular Varnam. You're obviously gearing up for it from the perspective of an independent dancer with a voice of your own, and also as in a certain way like a student of Murli sir, and you know, like as a young dancer. What are some of the really beautiful qualities of this Varnam? And why would you think more youngsters must definitely like sign up for this workshop?
Okay, so I'm sure all the participants will understand the essence of the language in this Tamil Varnam because it speaks about the Tamil language firstly. Absolutely. Secondly, I have recited the Jati, so I'm sure all of you have watched me dancing to my dad's voice, but for a change, for the first time, Appa has released a Varnam with my own voice. So that's something that's unique in this Varnam.
Is it the first time, Kavya? Is it the first?
Yes, it is the first time that I have
congratulations.
Recited. Thank you so much. So a Varnam that is officially released with my own voice. So that's
great.
And to be very honest, I think first time in the field of Bharatanatyam, even though if the participants are not natives of Tamil language, it's okay to join it because you know they'll be able to understand the three important things that's imbibed in the Tamil language. That mainly Appa said, Isai Nadagam, prose, music, and drama. And there's no scope of Sanchari Baba here because this Varnam truly speaks only about the language itself and beauty.
Right.
And I also got some freedom to choreograph certain aspects in the Varnam, and Appa even recited my favorite line in the entire Varnam, the Telliya Lagaram Paragira. It's very hard to even say that and sing it. So
Wow.
that specific phrase is really close to my heart because of the Ra.
Okay. Sir, can I request one of you to just maybe or chinna or jati if you can tell us?
Idliya?
Idilla
No, we
mudiyuma.
have a plan. We have a plan. Kavya will dance now. One of the Jati.
No,
One
no,
of the Jati is going to dance.
Appa. So
Enna-
this was
now,
not
see,
part of the plan, Akilaka.
Yeah,
Telling
he
it
has
to me
just
right
thrown
now.
this plan, right?
சரி காவியா நீ தானே ஜதி சொல்லிருக்க அந்த ஜதி ஒன்று சொல்லி கொடு காமி
Okay. Tadhitta tari tana chunu dakaditta tana chunu dhimi dadhitta tari tana chunu dakaditta tana chunu dhimi dadhitta takaditta kadakaditta tari ta jum jum tada dhin girna tumta dhin girna tumta dhitta takaditta kadakaditta tari ta jum jum tada Dhin girna tumta dhitta takaditta kadakaditta tarita jum tada dhin girna tumta.
Fantastic. Beautiful. I think, Kavya, like with, like sort of functioning at this pace and functioning with somebody who's constantly whatever, do you feel like you've also like, like confidence has become like second nature in some ways? Because you're just constantly like surrounded by somebody who's asking you to get out of like right now, like how he asked you to just start dancing, right?
Kavya, sometimes I feel Kavya is in the position, she is having the responsibility of holding my name and her name also
Yeah, absolutely.
together, and it's very difficult to balance both. You know,
Very.
the people from outside, they think, oh, Muralidharan's daughter. But Kavya have to prove that Kavya is a special, something
she
innocently
is.
special in some way. That is what she's
Absolutely.
doing now. I'm
No,
really proud
she's
of
doing a
my
great
daughter.
job of it. I mean, she has I think of her, of course, as your daughter and disciple, but definitely as a young voice with an identity of her own that there is no doubt about. Kavya, I just want to ask you a little bit about in the last 18 months, both of you, you've conducted so many online workshops. I want to ask you a little bit about what is your particular distinct style of teaching? Like, do you kind of push your students to kind of, go back, study? I mean, like people who commit to a workshop with you guys, would they have to really be like hardworking and dedicated and not just kind of like, because obviously you're also setting a record with this, right? So it's definitely, there's an additional, so tell me a little bit about how you make your workshops really like challenging.
I think my dad is a taskmaster. He really makes sure that all the participants get the best out of every other workshop that Appa conducts.
Right.
So, not just that, there's a bunch of participants who are also like a family to us right now. Apart from the workshop days, they also conduct free practice sessions to kind of correct all these participants. So that is an added advantage in our workshop, because if you're going to sign up for any of our workshop, you get to interact with the guru as well as practice with the other participants as well.
Correct.
Which is something that is not being offered right now. Yeah. So and I think it is very essential for any dancer to keep their practice consistent. That's one thing I would say. And second thing, I think through all these workshops, I've learned to be even more patient, because teaching online is
not very difficult. Yeah,
it is very difficult. And in regards to the sides, the angles, they get really confused because you always won't view the mirror image, right? So they'll be like, Kavya ka, can you turn and dance? So I might have to dance 10
Many
or
times, yeah.
so I
Absolutely.
think also improved my patience skills in regards to all the workshops.
Yeah, that's a good one. Murli sir, I want to ask you a little bit about over the last 1.5 years, you already have a huge network of students across the world. But have you
Yeah.
also gained a whole bunch of new students? And even for this workshop, have you had students from across the world kind of signing up?
Of course, I met mostly almost nearly 200 and 250 students. Still, they are continuing with me. Everybody's all the students are new, and more than the students, we are
Like a
now
family.
like a family now. I really I can say I'm really proud to say they are my life now. They are becoming my life, and without talking to me daily, their routine is not started. They are not starting their routine like that. They are now, and also they are helping, like more than a family. They are helping. There is no words to express my gratitude to them. And for a family, it's not necessary to show my gratitude. Anyway, I have to mention here, I have tremendous response with my workshop. I feel now only they are realizing my value in this field, the students.
That's great. Yeah.
Maybe for the past 19 years I was not concentrating on my teaching.
Yeah.
Now I'm realizing, oh, the teaching is now it's giving a same value. I was touring, giving my
Yeah.
programs
Performances.
abroad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Only certain places I used to go, and it's a small surrounding, about 50 to 100 students, small group of dancers I was
Yeah.
working. Now this is huge. This is
Yeah.
huge.
Huge. Yeah.
Really,
Absolutely.
really, I'm blessed to have them in my life.
Yeah. Kavya, you wanted to say something? Yeah.
Sorry. Yes.
Please
So
go ahead.
has taught more than 10 kids in this workshop, to be very honest. 250 people have been tagged from the first workshop until now. That is what mentioned. He met only 250 participants. So because every Sunday we've been conducting this workshop called Layat,
Yeah.
in which 180 participants join in to learn the art of Nattuvangam.
Wow.
So out of that, we were able to connect to a lot of participants in and around the world, and it's lovely to know them because now as Appa mentioned, they've become more than a family to all of us.
Absolutely.
This
Absolutely.
Layathirambalar, none of them tried in this field because Layam is Shruti Mata, Layapita. லயம்ல வந்து நிறைய பேர் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணல. நானே கொஞ்சம் தனியா கத்துக்கிட்டதுனால தான் லயம்ல இவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு. ஸோ சேம் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் டைம் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்பெண்ட் ஃபார் லயம் ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் பாவம். ஓகே, நம்ம நிறுத்தா பண்றோம், அடவு பண்றோம், அதெல்லாம் ஃபைன். பட் என்ன பண்றோம் தெரியாம பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். அடுத்து புரிய வச்சுட்டோம்னா, கவியா சொன்ன மாதிரி எப்படி they are coming back to me, the secret why they are coming back to me. Guru should be like not சிங்கம், புலி, பிசாசு, பூதம் மாதிரி. குரு வரார் ஏஞ்சுக்கோ, குரு வரார் போ நடுங்கு, அதெல்லாம் நடுங்கவே வேணாம். கூலா, ஏய் நீ பண்றது தப்பு, அறிவை தெளிவிப்பவன் ஆசா, இது மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டா அழகா இருக்கும்னு சொல்லிட்டா, இப்போ சில்ட்ரன் அப்படி ஃபயர் மாதிரி பிடிச்சுக்கிறாங்க. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் உடனே சொல்லி நீ பண்றது தப்பு, அவ்வளவுதான், சாதாரணமா சொன்னாலே போதுமே. ஒரு தடவை சொன்னாலே போதும், ரெண்டாவது தடவை சொன்னாலே போதும், மூணாவது தடவை பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வரும்போது இன்னும் கிளியர் பிக்சர் யூ ஆர் கெட்டிங், ரைட்? So why should you scare the people like, no, I'm guru na இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும்ன்றது கிடையாது. I'm trying to be a very cool guru.
Accessible, yeah. Gurukul, yeah. Changing from Gurukul to Guru, yeah. Sir, I just want to ask you a little bit about what does these, you set these records almost with all of your, challenges. I'm just curious to understand like this, what does that, the fact that you're setting a record, does it sort of push you harder? Because anyway, I'm sure you're motivated, but what does that give you like an extra push?
அதாவது நம்ம நடந்து வந்த பாதையை வந்து நாளைக்கு சரித்திரம் சொல்ல வேண்டும். நான் இந்த வழியில தான் முரளிதரன் போயிருக்காருன்றது நாளைக்கு வந்து ஹிஸ்டரி சொல்லணும். அது எப்படி இருந்தாலும் சொல்லணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இன் த ஹிஸ்டரி ஆஃப் பரதநாட்டியம் நான் சொல்றது வந்து தப்புன்னு சொல்லுவேன் நான். என்ன நானும், அதாவது ரெண்டு விஷயம் இருக்கு. என்னால மட்டும்தான் முடியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றது வந்து ஆணவம். இட்ஸ் ரொம்ப ப்ரைடா சொல்றது. என்னால கூட முடியுங்க அப்படின்றது வந்து தன்னம்பிக்கை. இட்ஸ் அதுதான் எனக்கு இருக்கு, அந்த தன்னம்பிக்கை இருக்கு, என்னால பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்றது. அது வந்து ஓவர் கான்பிடன்ஸ் கிடையாது. அந்த அளவுக்கு நான் உழைச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன், அந்த அளவுக்கு நான் உழைக்கிறேன். மை ஹார்ட் ஒர்க். காவியா சொன்ன மாதிரி சமயத்துல தூங்குறது கூட கிடையாது, தூங்கவே மாட்டேன் நிறைய. எனக்கு வந்து அதுதான் அந்த அப்துல் கலாம் இஸ் மை, நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருக்கேன் I'm the follower, he is my inspiration. Abdul Kalam, Dr. Abdul Kalam is my inspiration, and also Mahakavi Bharatiyar is my Manasiga Guru. Of course, Kamal Hassan. இவங்களோட வந்து சில விஷயங்களை பார்த்தோன்னா அவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, கனவு காண்பாய், கனவு காணுங்க நல்லா, ட்ரீம். ஓகே, பட் ட்ரீம் எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா உன்னை தூங்க விடக்கூடாது. உன்னை தூங்க விடாம செய்யறதுதான் நல்ல ட்ரீம் அப்படின்னு அவர் சொன்னது. அந்த வார்த்தையை நான் எடுத்துதான் I written one வர்ணம் in our 25 jatis. கனவு காண்பாய் என் தோழா, கனவு காண்பாய் என் தோழா, உன்னை உறங்காமல் செயல் வீரனாக்கும் கனவு காண்பாய். செயல் வீரன்னா பிராக்டிக்கலா நீ செஞ்சு காமிக்கணும். செயல் வீரன்னா சும்மா நான் பேசுறேன், வாய்ச்சொல் வீரன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, சும்மா வாயில நான் வந்து பெரிய மலைய உடைச்சிடுவேன், இரும்ப வளைச்சிடுவேன் அப்படின்னு வளைச்சு காமிக்கிறதே இல்லாம சொல்றதுக்கு வாய்ச்சொல் வீரன். பட் உன்னை செயல் வீரனாக்கும் கனவு காண்பாய் அப்படின்னு எழுதியிருக்கேன் நான் ஒரு வர்ணத்துல. ஸோ அதுதான், தட் இஸ் வாட் ஐ எம் ட்ரைங் டு டூ. மேபி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இன் த ஹிஸ்டரி ஆஃப் பரதநாட்டியம் நீங்க எடுத்து பார்த்தா கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும், என்னோட பேர் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்றது வந்து என்னோட மைண்ட் செட். 25 வருடம் பண்ணினோம் இல்லையா, 25 வருடம் நான் பண்றதுக்கு ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் நான் ஐ ஸ்லெப்ட் ஒன்லி 1 hour 2 hour தான் பண்ணினேன். ஏன்னா இட்ஸ் a long process of writing, composing music, thinking about the concept, and the concept வந்து கரெக்டா ரீச் ஆகணும். அந்த ரீச் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் அது மியூசிஷியனுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும், அதை சொல்லி கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்க திருப்பி ரீப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணி பாடணும். இட்ஸ் நாட் ஈஸி டாஸ்க். So, but we made it in 25 days, right? So always I used to say the alap is my lucky charm. Lucky charm da present pannanga.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Kavi, I want to ask you a couple of questions and we will close this conversation. I wanted to ask you, you've been conducting so many online sessions, and you know that also suddenly there are so many workshops happening. Do you feel that there is, young people, you should tell me as the voice of the younger generation, like, do you feel like there is a sort of like a digital exhaustion, digital fatigue that has set in? Like, do you also feel sometimes that you wish you were actually teaching everybody in person and not having to do this through the filter of a laptop or a mobile screen?
Personally, I think no. I have never felt
okay.
Online.
That's great.
I think I'm getting used to it, and for the last 5 years I've been teaching. So I'm feeling impeccable because I'm also able to learn so many things equally. So when I'm also, for example, I'm also doing. I've just enrolled for a Karna's class with Paduaka. First time online. So I think as artists, it's very easy for us to learn from legendary guru at the same time. When it comes to posts and the workshops that's been happening, I think from my point of view, I feel the participants are kind of exhausted because they don't know which one to sign up for.
They're spoiled for choice, yeah.
Yes,
basically this the online classes and all, it's saving your time. It's saving your time, almost this Layathiram workshop, every week more than 150 200, like the students are coming from different zone, different places. They are waiting. I've conducted for the past 30 weeks, 30 வாரம் கண்டிப்பா ஃப்ரீ ஆன்லைன் ஃப்ரீயா சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் நான். ஃப்ரீயா நான் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன்னா, you know about Zoom, right? More than 100, you have to pay 15,000 rupees per month. Okay, so the people benefited, and the knowledge I've given for them, it's they never forget, honestly
For
speaking.
sure.
Because I taught, I taught them how to write the jatis, how to structure the jatis, how to find the nuances. We have five magical numbers in our system.
Right.
Tisram 3, Chatusram 4, Kandam 5, Misram 7, and Sankirnam 7. Whatever the difficult jati, whatever the greatest vidwan மிருதங்கத்துல வாச்சார், இன்னைக்கு தனியா ஒருத்தனை கேட்டேன், என்ன வாச்சாங்க? These 5 magical numbers only they are playing.
Correct.
Only these five magical numbers. That is all. 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. இதுல தான் நம்ம பண்றதே, நம்ம பண்ற ஜதி ஜாலம் பண்றதா இருக்கட்டும். வாச்சாங்க பாருங்க, நீ 24 hours நைட்ல வந்து நைட் எல்லாம் நடக்கும் தாஞ்சூர்ல. தவுல் எதிர் தவுல் 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 வாச்சிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. Everything these 5 magical numbers.
Right.
Dati Tomnam is the chol for Vedangam. Dati Tomnam is doing magic everywhere.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So same thing is, so I have to tell them this is what happening. ஒண்ணுமே பயம் கிடையாது. இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் conducted this tiny thoughts timeless beats for the kids.
Correct.
ரொம்ப சின்ன குழந்தைங்க, நிறைய பேர் அழற நிலைமையில போச்சுங்க குழந்தைங்க. They don't want to miss the class. They don't want to miss the class. Sir, don't miss the, we don't want to miss the class. நான் வந்து actually இந்த வர்ணத்துக்காக I want to actually give them break 1 month. I told them 1 month break. No, they don't want. Honestly speaking, I have the recording with me. சின்ன குழந்தைங்க, I can't believe 5 years girl எல்லாம் இந்த தாளம் போட்டு கிளிக் ட்ராக் போட்டு மெட்ரோனம் போட்டு சொல்றது எப்படின்னு காவியாக்கு தெரியும், ஸ்டுடியோல போய் சொல்றது. These children are doing magic.
Yeah, absolutely. It's the generation is just like more getting smarter by the
Of course.
Kavya, you were
Very
saying
nice.
something. You want to finish what you were saying?
Yes. So I think as a participant or as a student who's also learning art form, I think it is also kind of very interesting to see so many workshops online. Random have started their online lessons, and from a beginner's point of view, it's completely confused about which guru to go and which dance class to choose and which so that's one thing. And secondly, I feel that there's also a lot of competition that's been going on online in regards to dance and how do I say, in everything, in everything, people are just trying to build followers. So I think they randomly post stuff that doesn't make sense. I also that has to be taken into consideration, because at all, if you're going to brand yourself as an art, it has to be clear, and you have to have a structured format to get inside social media. You cannot post
Just put out whatever
and
you like.
Because everybody is stuck home. I wouldn't blame the youngsters. They're all stuck home and they want to create something. So when they want to create something, it doesn't mean it has to be some random things. It has to make sense, and it has to be of quality work. So can also take some time to understand their own voice and then post it out, and not post randomly just because they are stuck at home.
No, absolutely, and that's great.
You are trying to say, I think Kavya is trying to say, think on their own and execute and post. Don't copy others.
Influencing people so much, and they don't know which one to imbibe and which one not to. So they're influenced by.
There's a lot of confusion.
Yes. So at the end, when they're going to copy things and when they're going to get influenced by the bad stuff, they're not going to find their voice. So that's
own voice. No, absolutely. Sir, I just want to ask you a little bit about, this workshop is priced at 3,500, the Varnam workshop. Have there been cases where people are saying that, that they want to sign up, but they can't, I don't know, make the payment? I don't know. Are there issues like that? Because
no, that is what I was initially I was mentioning about Layar Tirambalar. None of them tried this workshop, this kind of workshop. Almost 1.5 hours, 2 hours I taught all my that rhythm nattuangam free. 30 வாரம்ன்றது வந்து it's a big thing. 30 வாரம்ன்றது எத்தனை மாசம் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் நான். அதே மாதிரி இந்த வர்ணம் workshop கூட I've got so many mails. Sir, I'm not able to pay this much. Okay, doesn't matter. Whatever you can pay, you pay. So Sri Lanka almost 60 people are signing up for this today. They are going to send just 500 rupees per head. Not
But you
500,
still-
1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. In their money, they are 1000 rupees. நம்மளோடது ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கும். I said, okay, come. Doesn't matter. Knowledge, அதுதான் என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் knowledge is priceless.
Yeah.
இந்த
Absolutely.
பிரைஸ் செட் பண்ணதுக்கு கூட இந்த பிரைஸ் நான் செட் பண்ணது கூட ஐ வாண்ட் டு கிவ் சம்திங் டு த கவர்மெண்ட் டு கோவிட் ரிலீஃப்ல எவ்வளவு பேர் சஃபர் பண்றாங்க. அது நம்ம பேச முடியாத லெவல்ல நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. நிறைய ஆர்டிஸ்ட் சூசைட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நிறைய ஆர்டிஸ்ட் தொழிலே இல்லாம நிறைய ஆர்டிஸ்ட். லாஸ்ட் இயர் பேண்டமிக்ல நான் given some amount almost 50 to 60,000 rupees for the artist from my side. So அந்த ஒரு 2000 rupees போன உடனே the message they were sending to me கண்ணுல தண்ணி வந்துடுச்சு எனக்கு.
I can imagine, sir.
Yeah, so that is why I'm doing this one. இவ்வளவு நாள் நம்ம ஒர்க் ஷாப் பண்ணோம். ஓகே, நம்ம ஏதோ இதுல earn பண்ணோம். But something we have to do for the society.
No, absolutely.
And through my art I want to do something, and I have a big team to support me. அந்த டீம் இல்லனா எனக்கு இது பண்ணவே முடியாது. நிறைய சொல்லி அவங்க சொல்றாங்க, நீங்க இது பண்ணுங்க சார், நாங்க எல்லாம் சப்போர்ட் பண்றோம்.
You're blessed that way, sir.
My students, they are doing a remarkable work for this.
Fantastic. So there are a couple of questions. Kavya, you could also take this. The Varnam is in which talam? Somebody wants to know.
The Varnam is
which talam?
The Varnam is in very much in Adi talam.
Okay. So there's one question from Sri Vidya. She says, any tips for self-learners of dance or mridangists? Kavya, any of either of you could? Self-learners.
Dance Kavyaவே சொல்லுவா. Self tip சொல்லுமா.
Self-learners ஒரு tip.
I really wouldn't appreciate you to learn by yourself, because both the art forms are distinctive in their own ways, and I would really find a nice guru, knowledgeable guru who can teach you the basics at least. So once you master the basics, I think from there you can take your journey self-learner. That will definitely give you a foundation in the art. So get your basics right, and then you can, afterwards, you can explore yourself as a self-learner.
Yeah, basic definitely they have to learn, basics.
Absolutely.
From some foundation. Then only they will know what is the body language, what is the exact fundamentals la correct illama
correct.
And we don't recommend the students self-taught it's not like a book. உடனே படிச்ச ஓகே இந்த புக் முடிச்சிட்டு அந்த புக் படிக்கலாம் அப்படின்றது இல்ல. இட்ஸ் மசில் உங்களோட பாடி அதோட ஒத்து போகும்.
YouTube teaches you good things, and it teaches you bad things. So don't get influenced by the media. Even though you're self-learner, try to find a good guru who can help you with this. Learn the basics, and then you structure your.
Yeah. The guru gives you the wings to fly, right? So you have to
Exactly.
definitely go through that training. I want to say a couple of things that, one is that, Kavya, you called your father Superman. I'm going to call you Superstar. Okay, so you're a young superstar with a very, very unique voice of your own as well, and taking forward your father's legacy. So congratulations, and we're looking forward to you, assisting your father in this fantastic workshop. Sir, I just want to say that yet again you are like, your generosity to share your creativity with a larger, audience, and to really also push them also to set for themselves also like a target, right? Like getting into the Guinness Book of Records is really it's not a joke.
It's a very valuable, ஒரு பண்றாங்க. அதுதான் இப்ப நான் I want to give ஒரு அவங்களுக்கு யாரு பாக்குறாங்களோ I want to tell them, if you are not able to pay 3,500 rupees, just write to the mail. Definitely we will consider, sir, we can give this much only. Okay, please consider. Okay, definitely we'll consider. The same time, if you are not able to pay nothing, that is also we will consider. Okay, but we should know, அவங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும், எங்களால முடியலன்றத ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். அது
correct.
உண்மையிலேயே கஷ்டமா இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு definitely I'll help.
Also, sir, I want to add one more thing. If there is somebody who can actually afford and pay more, then they should do that, because this is also
Please.
going for a very good cause,
Please,
right?
please. That
Or
is
if
also
they
I'm
can sponsor, or if they
Yeah.
can sponsor another student
Yeah.
who is probably less privileged, then I think that would also be a great step in,
Perfect.
somebody who's in a position to be able to afford it, I think can also. So I will also share this on Alap and tell people that, like people who are, who the privileged
Willing
can
to-
come forward and share, so that another student who is less privileged can learn this Varnam and be part of the Guinness Book of Records. So thank you, Murli sir, for, taking time off and chatting with me always, and, always like, sharing some really interesting insights on creativity, on comfort zone, on sharing of knowledge, on generosity of spirit, on not being money minded and really actually doing something for the sake of the art. And Kavya, as always, fantastic to talk to you. And more power to you. And I hope that you continue to strike the right balance between carrying forward your father's, legacy and like cultivating for yourself your own voice. So good luck to you as well. And to everybody who joined, please head to the email ID. It's available both on Murli sir, Kavya, and Alap's page. Write to that email ID, ask them whatever queries that you may have, and please do sign up. Classes begin from July 10th. And right? Am I right, sir?
No, we are starting the class on July 10th. The
July 10th.
admissions will be, closes on not January. July 10th, the class will be, we are starting the class. July 2nd, the admissions are closed.
Okay, so you have very little time. I suggest you do this right now. So thank you so much, Kavya and Murli sir. And thank you to everybody who logged in and showed us so much love and appreciate it. And please take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Alap. Thank you,
Lovely.
Akila, and thank you, Alap team, for supporting me. You're really, really great, and you're giving tremendous support
Thank
with
you,
your
sir.
Alap page. And
Appreciate
thank
it.
you so much. Definitely, we will continue our divine journey.
Yeah, absolutely. Bye-bye, Kavya.
Bye, Akhilaka. Thank you. It was
See
lovely
you
chatting.
soon. Likewise. Bye.